Black Friday is back, and this year, the EDC deals are on another level. If you've been waiting to upgrade your everyday carry or pick up a few smart additions for your kit, this is the right time. I've gone through the list and pulled out the best finds so you don't waste time on weak discounts. Let's walk through the 25 EDC steals you don't want to miss this Black Friday. Keeping your floors spotless without lifting a finger has never been easier. The AIRROBO robot vacuum and mop is a 60-day self-emptying smart cleaner equipped with 6,000 pascals of suction, tangle-free brushes for pet hair, and LiDAR navigation. It detects carpets for deeper cleaning, avoids obstacles intelligently, and maps multiple floors via the app. Compatible with voice commands, it effortlessly vacuums and mops all floor types, capturing dust, debris, and hidden dirt. With its large 3.5-liter dust bag, ultra-strong suction, and smart home integration, this robot vacuum and mop makes maintaining a clean home fast, efficient, and hands-free. Perfect for busy households or pet owners. Keeping your drinks icy cold on hot days is easier than ever. The ThermoFlask Slim Can Cooler is a 2-in-1 insulated beverage solution that fits slim cans perfectly or works as a standalone cooler cup. Its double-wall insulation with temp-lock technology keeps drinks cold for hours, while the 18/8 food-grade stainless steel construction ensures durability. A non-slip silicone base prevents slipping and protects surfaces, and it's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Lightweight, portable, and stylish. This cooler is perfect for picnics, outdoor adventures, tailgating, or everyday use, making sure your favorite beverage stays refreshingly chilled wherever you go. Tired of bulky pockets slowing you down? Introducing the Manmaxim Slim Wallet, a sleek minimalist tri-fold wallet designed for modern men who value both style and function. Featuring 5 credit card slots, 1 clear ID window, 1 bill compartment, and 1 zippered coin pocket, it keeps all essentials organized. Its pop-up aluminum card holder allows quick access to 5 to 7 cards, while 4 extra slots hold additional cards. RFID blocking technology protects your information, and a magnetic closure ensures everything stays secure. Compact yet spacious, this front pocket wallet is perfect for everyday use, travel, work, or gifting, combining elegance with practical convenience. Don't let a hard ground ruin your adventure. Sleeping comfortably outdoors is essential. Introducing the Clostnature Sleeping Pad, a lightweight, inflatable camping mattress designed for backpacking, tents, or hammocks. With a 1.5-inch memory foam padding and a high R value for insulation, it keeps you warm and supported on chilly nights. Its self-inflating design allows quick setup without a pump, and the attached pillow adds extra comfort. Compact and portable, it rolls up easily into a storage sack with straps for effortless carrying, perfect for camping, hiking, or outdoor adventures. This pad ensures restful sleep anywhere, blending convenience, durability, and comfort. Make meals an interactive experience where everyone becomes a chef. Meet the HBN Electric Raclette Table Grill, a 2-in-1 Korean barbecue grill and electric griddle perfect for indoor family gatherings, parties, and festive dinners. Its reversible grill plate lets you cook meats, seafood, vegetables, or breakfast items like pancakes and eggs. With 8 independent non-stick raclette pans, guests can melt cheese, warm sauces, and customize their dishes. The adjustable temperature control up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensures perfect cooking every time, while easy cleanup keeps the fun going. Compact, versatile, and entertaining, it's ideal for creating delicious meals and unforgettable social dining moments. Starting your day with fresh, nutritious drinks shouldn't be complicated or messy. Introducing the Colarlemo Smoothie Blender Maker, a 12-piece, high-speed personal blender designed for smoothies, frozen drinks, sauces, baby food, protein shakes, and even coffee bean grinding. Featuring 2 upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blades at 25,000 RPM, it effortlessly crushes ice and tough ingredients, unlocking nutrients from fruits and vegetables. 3 versatile, drop-resistant cups with measurement lines and multiple lids make it perfect for home or on-the-go use. One-touch operation, a non-slip base, and easy cleaning ensure convenience. This powerful, portable blender is essential for anyone seeking quick, healthy, and delicious drinks daily. When unexpected weather strikes or emergencies arise, having a dependable shelter can be a lifesaver. Meet the Go Time Gear Survival Life Tent, a two-person, all-weather emergency tent crafted from durable, tear-resistant polyethylene. It reflects body heat for winter camping and survival situations while remaining lightweight at just 8.7 ounces, easily compressing into a compact sack for backpacks or bug-out bags. Its versatile setup allows use between trees, with rocks, or as a tube tent in open areas. Integrated survival tools include a high-decibel whistle and paracord, while a waterproof and windproof design ensures protection from harsh conditions, ideal for camping, hiking, and emergency preparedness kits. Inflating gear outdoors can be slow and tiring without the right tool. Introducing the AKSOUL Portable Air Pump, a compact, rechargeable electric pump designed for air mattresses, pool floats, rafts, and more. With 300 liters per minute airflow and 4,500 pascals pressure, it inflates and deflates quickly, saving time and effort. Its 3,600 mAh battery provides up to 60 minutes of use, recharged via Type-C from a power bank, laptop, car, or adapter, lightweight and portable. It fits easily in backpacks. 4 interchangeable nozzles handle different inflatables, while built-in indicator lights and an SOS camping light add convenience, perfect for camping, hiking, and all inflatable needs. Preparing meat and seafood can be tough without the right tool in hand. The SimCoker poultry shears are heavy-duty kitchen scissors designed for meat, chicken, turkey, fish, and even bones. Crafted from thicker, corrosion-resistant stainless steel with razor-sharp blades and a reinforced spring, they make cutting effortless and precise. The anti-slip, ergonomic handle ensures comfort and safety, while a built-in safety lock prevents accidental injury. Slippery teeth marks allow scraping fish scales, and the spring-loaded design enables easy, quick cuts with minimal effort. Dishwasher safe and versatile, these poultry shears are essential for efficient kitchen prep, barbecue, and everyday cooking tasks. Music makes every moment better, but only if it's loud, clear, and portable. The Bose Bluetooth speaker delivers bold, resonant audio and booming bass in a compact, travel-ready design. Waterproof, dustproof, shock and rust-resistant, it's built to handle outdoor adventures and unexpected tumbles. Up to 20 hours of battery life keeps the party going, with fast USB-C charging and even the ability to power your phone. The Bose app lets you adjust bass, mid-range, and treble, manage devices, and check battery pair 2 speakers for stereo or party mode. Perfect for outdoor gatherings, workouts, beach days, or anytime you want premium portable sound. Cooking large meals can be tricky without the right countertop tool. The Bella Make and Take electric skillet is a 12-inch square, 3-inch deep skillet designed for family-sized dishes like chili, casseroles, and more. Its cast aluminum base ensures even heating, while the Evergood ceramic coating provides non-stick performance. Adjustable temperature control up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit lets you fry, simmer, or sauté with precision. The tempered glass lid is dishwasher safe, and the inverted space-saving design allows easy storage. Cool touch handles and sturdy lid clamps make transport safe and mess-free, perfect for potlucks, tailgates, or holiday dinners. A smart, stylish, and practical kitchen essential. Access to clean drinking water can be a matter of survival in the wild or during emergencies. Introducing the SurviMate Water Purifier Pump, a portable, hand-operated 5-stage filtration system that removes fluoride, arsenic, chlorine, lead, heavy metals, odors, chemicals, and other contaminants. Its 0.01 micron hollow fiber ultrafiltration membrane ensures safe, healthy water, while the ultra-fast flow rate delivers up to 1,500 milliliters per minute. Durable, food-grade ABS construction, a sturdy metal handle, and a reusable carbon filter make it reliable for camping, hiking, backpacking, and emergency kits. Compact and easy to use, it instantly transforms lakes, rivers, or tap water into clean, drinkable water. Staying dry on the go can be tricky without a towel that keeps up with your adventures. Meet the Eunzel Quick Dry Camping Towel, a 3-piece microfiber set designed for camping, beach, gym, sports, yoga, and swimming. With small, medium, and large sizes, it covers hand drying, travel, and full-body use. Ultra-absorbent and fast-drying, these towels hold up to 5 times their weight in water and dry 3 times faster than standard towels. Lightweight, odor-resistant, and soft as satin, They pack into a convenient carrying bag with hang loops for easy drying. Perfect for outdoor adventures, travel, or daily fitness routines. Cooking efficiently and safely requires reliable, versatile cookware. The SenSARTE Pots and Pan Set is a 17-piece non-stick cookware collection designed for home kitchens, RVS, and all stove types, including induction featuring granite non-stick coating that's PFOA-free, lead, and cadmium-free. It allows healthy cooking with minimal oil. Detachable handles support up to 22 pounds and save storage space, making stacking and cabinet organization simple. The set includes saucepans, frying pans, and more, all with thick, flat bottoms for even heating, dishwasher, and oven safe. It's easy to clean and durable. Perfect for everyday cooking, meal prep, and healthy, convenient home or travel use. A clean, precise shave can transform your morning routine, but only with the right tool in hand. The LYRSLF electric foil shavers are mini, cordless razors designed for face grooming at home or on the go. Equipped with 3 floating blades, 2 foil blades, and a long beard trimmer, they handle short stubble and longer beards with speed and precision. The waterproof design allows wet or dry use, and the detachable magnetic head makes cleaning effortless. USB-C fast charging delivers up to 90 minutes of use, with an LED display showing power status, compact and travel-friendly, perfect for smooth, ergonomic shaving anywhere. Running out of power when you need it most can be frustrating, especially with multiple devices to charge. The Anker laptop charger is a 140-watt max USB-C GAN power adapter designed for fast, reliable charging of laptops, phones, and tablets. With 4 ports, including dual high-speed USB-C, it can charge multiple devices simultaneously, powering a 15-inch MacBook Air to 50% in just 30 minutes. Advanced Active Shield 4.0 ensures safety by monitoring temperatures over 10 million times daily, while an intuitive color display shows charging status and port details. Compact and versatile, it's perfect for home, office, or travel use, keeping all devices charged efficiently. Reaching difficult spots or securing heavy loads outdoors can be challenging without the right tool. The Ruipoo Grappling Hook Claw is a multifunctional stainless steel hook designed for camping, hiking, tree climbing, rock climbing, and mountain adventures. Its sturdy sawtooth claws and reinforced handle provide a firm, non-slip grip, supporting up to 1,102 pounds safely. Foldable and portable, it saves space in your pack while remaining easy to operate. Made from premium manganese steel, it's waterproof, durable, and impact-resistant. Ideal for grappling objects, anchoring ropes, fishing boats, or vehicle traction. This versatile tool is a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and survival situations. Getting stranded with a dead car battery can ruin any trip if you're unprepared. The Macson Jump Starter is a portable 1,500 ampere all-in-one car battery charger that combines a jumper, a 150-pound per square inch air compressor, a USB power bank, and a 3-mode flashlight. It instantly starts 12-volt vehicles up to 7.5-liter gasoline or 5.5-liter diesel engines, including cars, SUVs, trucks, and lawnmowers. Compact and rechargeable via USB-C in 2 hours, it also powers electronic devices on the go. Built-in smart safety features prevent reverse connection, short circuits, and overheating, perfect for roadside emergencies, outdoor adventures, and daily travel. This jump starter keeps you prepared and worry-free. Reaching and trimming high branches can be frustrating without the right tool. Meet the Suchtale pole saw, a 2-in-1 manual pruner and saw designed for gardens, yards, orchards, and farms. It features a durable carbon steel saw blade for thick branches and a manganese steel pruner blade for precise cutting of twigs and shrubs. Lightweight and adjustable, it extends from 33.6 inches to 117.3 inches with 7 poles. While a nylon rope and pulley system makes high branch pruning easier, stainless steel handles ensure safety and strength. Easy to assemble with butterfly nuts and screw connections, this pole saw is perfect for gardening enthusiasts seeking efficiency, durability, and convenience. Keeping food and drinks cold while on the move can be challenging without proper gear. Introducing the HIKERBRO Backpack Cooler, a 40-can insulated, leak-proof, and waterproof cooler designed for camping, beach trips, picnics, travel, and fishing. Its PEVA eco-friendly lining, waterproof zipper, and 600D Oxford exterior ensure durability and spill protection. With 8mm thick insulation, it keeps contents cold for up to 16 hours, while padded shoulder straps, a back panel, and a top handle provide comfortable carrying, multiple compartments, mesh side pockets, an elastic top strap, and an included bottle opener make it versatile for storage and convenience. Lightweight and practical, it's perfect for outdoor adventures and daily use. Never let a flat tire or a dead battery cut your trip short again. The Thmomex tire inflator delivers fast power when you need it most, keeping your ride ready for every adventure. This 2-in-1 tire inflator and jump starter delivers 160 pounds per square inch with 35 liters per minute airflow, making it easy to handle car, motorcycle, and bike tires. Its smart pressure system with presets, auto shutoff, and multiple nozzles gives you accurate, hassle-free inflation. The built-in 26,800 mAh power bank with 65 watts USB-C fast charging keeps your devices running on the go. A 4-mode LED light adds safety for roadside emergencies. Perfect for daily driving, road trips, and quick inflation anytime. Sometimes the wild throws a challenge your way, and having one reliable tool can turn it into part of the adventure. The Gearitis Camping Multi-Tool packs smart capability into a compact design, giving you a 16-in-1 survival gear setup ready for any trip. It includes an axe, hammer, nail claw, pipe grip pliers, wire cutter, needle nose pliers, knife, saw, serrated knife, file, flathead and Phillips screwdrivers, whistle, flint fire starter, bottle opener, and a durable nylon carrying case. Made from heavy-duty stainless steel, it handles real work without hesitation. Ideal for hiking, camping, emergencies, and perfect as stocking stuffers for men, dads, and outdoor lovers, this multi-tool keeps you prepared wherever you go. When you're out exploring or handling quick fixes, having the right tool within reach saves time and keeps you moving. The RoverTac multi-tool knife brings that feeling to life with a compact design loaded with value. This 15-in-1 tool includes a folding knife, screwdrivers, pliers, a saw, and more, all built from high-grade stainless steel with a black oxide finish for long-term reliability. It slips easily into a pocket or pack, making it a solid pick for camping, hiking, survival, DIY, or daily chores. With gift-ready packaging, it works well as a gift for men, dad, or a husband for Valentine's Day, Father's Day, birthdays, or any occasion. Cooking outdoors can turn a simple meal into a memorable adventure, but having the right gear makes all the difference. Introducing the AIRROBO Camping Cookware Set, a portable non-stick pan kit designed for outdoor kitchens, picnics, hiking, and fishing. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, all pieces nest neatly into a single bag for easy, space-saving portability. Foldable heat-resistant handles provide a secure, slip-resistant grip, while the food-grade, hard-anodized aluminum construction ensures long-lasting durability. This versatile set lets you fry, stir-fry, boil, steam, and heat water effortlessly, making it essential for camping enthusiasts who want convenience and performance on every adventure. When the sun is blazing or rain clouds gather, a quick shelter can save the day. The Best Choice Pop-Up Canopy Tent offers instant, portable shade with a simple one-button push for setup and breakdown. Designed for one-person use, it features no pinch height adjusters and provides 100 square feet of shade with 4 preset heights. A rolling storage case with wheels and a handle makes transport effortless, while 4 optional weight bags add up to 112 pounds of extra stability. Built with a durable steel frame, this versatile canopy is perfect for camping, outdoor parties, birthdays, or any event on grass, parking lots, or parks. That wraps up the list. If any of these picks fit your setup, grab them while the prices are still live because Black Friday deals move fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.